blacklist me here in VIP suit. I'm 5 months staying here, and Maria knows me. I am very quiet person. I didn't do anything wrong here. We got just argument with Aaron because he's refusing my stay to extend my stay last time, and um, and then now that managers refused to that canceled my booking, which is my husband paid already. So she's using her own email address to cancel my booking. And now they lock my things inside. There's the CCTVs over here. I don't have any case at all for them to lock my things. How come they can lock my things like this? This is bullying. Why are they bullying me this way? I just got out from jail from 12 days because I got argument. I fight this manager because she keeps harassing me for multiple times. How many times she entered my room and bullied me? And then they just took me like a kidnapping. That was like police brutality. I had got too much bruises and too with my swollen hand and feet. This is bullying. Why the hell they can lock my things like this? This housekeeper can lock my things and doesn't give back my things yet. And they said that barangay will touch my things again. Why the hell barangay will touch my things? I didn't do anything wrong. I'm already okay. I just got released. I just got released and they're harassing me again. Why the hell is this? This is I told you. This is already all Visaya guest inside of this hotel. I'm the only Luzon here.